Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the quick release on the Savvy bar. So first you will need a 2mm Allen key and you need to disconnect the safety line. The best way to do it is to push the safety line out. Push on the stopper. Now you take out this little pin, slide it out, straighten the loop, take out the stopper, take out the leash connection, and you can pull out the safety line from the quick release. Then you need to undo the two grab screws on the swivel. And now you can separate the quick release. You can take the new one, just remove the top, and you can connect this one. Here you have everything around except for one flat surface, so you need to always connect the flat surface to the flat surface. Make sure everything is nicely aligned and you can place back the two grab screws. Make sure you place the screw in the center so it doesn't stick out on either side. And make sure the screws go in nice and easy. Okay, now you can reinsert the safety line. Make sure the loop is nice and straight and thread it back into the hole. Reinsert the leash connection. Thread the line through the stopper. And push the stopper onto the tube. Make a loop. And place back the pin. If you need some help, you can use the key. Okay, make sure this is nicely aligned and centered. And now you can pull the stopper. That's it. This is how you change the quick release on the Savvy bar. Make sure everything is nice and safe, and see you on the water.